Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to try and get some pedals in and some brakes. I've got the caliper mounted at the back, so I need to run hydraulic line to a master, reservoir under the seat about here, and then a cable operation to the brake pedal. And I'm also going to do a cable operated accelerator cable so that I can go to this little pot for speed control. So I need to make up something for that. Never really have any plans for doing this sort of stuff. It's just a rough idea in my head, and then just see if it works. Right, let's go to time lapse. So after some deliberation, I've decided I'm going to reuse the old pedal assembly, put it in a slightly different place. I've sort of jigged it around a bit to space the pedals. I've lost this, so I'm just going to make another one out of this bit of scrap. So, another day ended. I had Maddie came down to just do another trial fit, and she's growing, as children do. Scarlett can just fit in, but I've had to move this pillar. There was a pillar there, which is that one. So I've added a secondary pillar, which is that one there. I've actually cut this first one out on this side to get the pedals a little bit further back. Passenger side doesn't matter so much, but yeah, and then I've added this stay to support it. I got the brake pedal in. Oh, just difficult to look through the camera and look at everything. That's also got a reservoir back there, which is not connected by hose yet. Obviously there'll be a hose connecting this master cylinder all the way back to the brake caliper. Throttle pedal at the moment is a cable, but what I'm going to do is replace that with I think it's called Dacron. It's like a braided nylon fishing line, because this cable is quite thick, and I need it to go round this little drum. So the idea of that is it's going to be sat in that bearing for support. The Dacron will go through that hole and then wrap round this diameter, and then the amount of pedal movement I've got will be turning this the same amount as the pot. And then once I've mounted this with the Dacron through it, that will then sit on top, and I'll support the board with something that insulates it, and that should give me pot without putting any side load on the actual pot itself, just giving it rotational movement. That's about it for today. I hope to get a lot more done. But yeah, the pedals took a bit longer than I thought. I've also got to drop the steering column down because Maddie wants it a bit lower and a bit further back. And we're kind of at that point where if I don't do it now, it's only going to have a really short, usable lifespan. The other thing I did is I made some new spinners. So these are a little bit bigger. It's a 90, I think the last ones were 70. So they look a bit more in character with the wheel size. Anyway, that is it for now. I know one last thing, I've got some material. So I'll put a picture up of the interior I'm trying to copy now. This is the material that will be used for headlining and kind of side trim, cover the centre console and also the rear parcel shelf. It's kind of embossed and stitched, but that should give the right effect. And I've got this royal blue leather, which is for the sides of the seats, the sort of bolsters. And then this looks like grey, but it's actually blue. That's the wonders of the iPhone camera. This is blue suede, which will be the centre of the seat. So I'll start doing the seats next week as well. And that is it. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you next week.